My own journey toward transformation wasn't straightforward. Like you, I tried everything that promised results: seminars, books, coaches, even retreats in exotic locations. What I found was that most approaches only address the surface level: behavior, habits, mindset, all good stuff. But deeper patterns remained untouched. I was like painting over cracks in the foundation and being surprised when they reappeared. The breakthrough came when I realized transformation isn't just about adding new practices. It's about completely recalibrating your internal operating system. Life Upgrade is that complete recalibration. A 3 months journey where we are not only clearing what's blocking you, but we're installing entirely new capabilities across every dimension of your life. What makes this approach different is that we work at the quantum level, accessing and transforming the electromagnetic frequencies your system is broadcasting. These frequencies directly influence what experiences you attract into your life. I remember when I first discovered this approach, it seemed too good to be true. But after experiencing the shifts myself and witnessing them in client after client, I could not deny what's possible when we work at this level. Through our twice weekly sessions, you will experience transformation across five core dimensions. Your decision making becomes crystal clear as we eliminate the electromagnetic static in your system. No more second guessing or analysis paralysis. Your relationship transforms fundamentally as you stop broadcasting frequencies that attract matching patterns. This isn't just about romantic relationship, it's every connection in your life. Your business relationship, your fatherhood, your relationship with friends, all of it. Your energy expands dramatically when you are no longer unconsciously fighting yourself. Imagine what you could accomplish with that kind of consistent vitality. Your purpose becomes evident as your soul's authentic desires emerge from beneath years of outdated programming. This isn't about discovering some new mission, it's about finally seeing what's always been there. And abundance begins flowing naturally as we dissolve ancestral patterns of struggle and limitation that have been running through your lineage. This journey isn't for everyone, it's for those who are ready to go beyond the surface level changes and create a fundamentally different experience of life. Are you ready? Shoot me an email if you want to chat or experience my quantum clarity session firsthand and then decide. 100% satisfaction guarantee still applies. At any point during 3 months, you can simply state that you're out and I'll mail you the check. I'm that confident that this will expand your life beyond your wildest dreams. See you soon.